Binding a command in tmux without using the prefix key. Is it possible to bind a tmux command to a key combination and use it directly without first pressing the prefix? I find CB plus N too cumbersome to switch panes, so I was wondering whether I could bind C1 for example, to switch to pane number 1. Or perhaps there may be a way to make the shortcut in the terminal emulator to send CB plus 1 when I press C1. Thanks.
For your example, use the N argument is used to bind key, it means no prefix.
I have a quibble with the accepted answer here. According to tmux1, N is an alias for troot. So including N doesn't actually mean that there is no prefix as much as it means the command will be bound to the root table, which is not recommended. Mix 1. The root table is used for keys pressed without the prefix key. Binding C to new window in the root table, not recommended, means plain C will create a new window. What this seems to be saying is that bind NC new window will create a new window when C is pressed, and indeed, it does. The dry humor in the author's phrase not recommended is the fact that C will of course be pressed many times in the average tmux session, given that C is the third most frequent letter in English. For another example, here is fast tmux window switching, using page up / page down keys.
I like to use Alt plus to move left a window and Alt plus dot to move right. The choice might not make sense to you at first glance, but those keys are also used for and LT semicolon and GT, I'm just too lazy to add shift in there as well. Same goes for panes. I like to use Alt plus and Alt plus.
Review 1. Prosim por Hamlet. Placer con 7 subscribing.